Recording in progress.
आवाज कम करो। क्या को तुम्हारे में तो बात हो रही है।
Okay, welcome back, Rahul. And now we have done this. It means example. And now come to the here flow structure. So you can see here, this is the flow diagram of the if statement. So the flow diagram demonstrates the flow chart of the if statement execution flow in programming. So you can see here, first of all, we have to start the program, and we have also given here the test expression. It means giving here the condition. After that, condition will be true, then it will go for the next part. Otherwise, condition will be false, so it will exit directly. So you can see here, like it's true, then go for the body of statement, like this is the true, and after that statement just before if, and it means finally it will exit. After that, Java if else statement. So the if else statement allows you to execute one block if the condition is true, and another block if it is false. It means if you are talking about the if else statement, so once it means give here the two conditions, like the first condition in if and second will be else. So suppose that first condition will be false, then else condition automatically true, and first condition true, then false condition automatically true. So let's see here. First of all, we have to import the package of Java. Here, like import java.util and star. Star means all the package installed of the Java. Then next here, first of all, we have to create a class, like class name. If you want to give here your name, so you can also give there. Then come to the public static void main, string args, then int I equal to 10. It means we are initialize the array and if I less than 50, and pass the message system.out.println, and I is smaller than 15. Then else condition system.out.println, I is greater than 50. It means according to this, the condition, first condition is correct because 10 smaller than 50. Suppose that this condition right over here, like I equal to 17, and condition here I less than 50. According to this, this condition will be false. This condition will be false. It means first condition will be false because 15 is smaller than 70. And then again, the second message will be printed here. I is greater than 50. It means first time you can see here this condition is true, and second time I am giving here the value like this. So this condition will be false in second time, and this condition will be true in the second time. So it means whenever any condition true, so second condition automatically false. Whenever first condition will be false, then second condition will be automatically true. And now come to the flow chart. You can see here. This is the flow chart of the if-else statement. So the flow diagram demonstrates the flow chart of an if statement. Execution flow in program. And here the same as here you can see the condition. Start from here. First, check the condition. First condition is true, then it will go for the next. And second condition will be false. If condition will be false, then it's go for the body of else part. And else part may be true, may be not true, then it will go for the statement just before if. Then you already seen the example of the if-else condition. Now come to the here Java nested if statement. It means in the previous statement loop in the loop. So here if in the if, that's why the call nested if. A nested if is an if statement inside another if statement, and it is useful when a second condition depends on the first. It means it is used for first second condition depend on the first condition. So let's see here. Like first of all we have to make the class like Greek. Again public static void main, string args. After that, int I equal to 10, and here is the example, comment like outer if statement. It means inner statement or outer statement. So outer statement is here like the if I less than 15, and system.out.println. So it's calling here like I is smaller than 50. Go to the nested if. So if I equal 10, print here system.out.println, and I is exactly 10. It means on the statement here, the both conditions are true. So whenever we will do all these things and after we will run this program, then we will get the output here. I is smaller than on the basis of this condition, and I is exactly 10 on the basis of this condition. It means both conditions will be true. Come to the flow chart of nested if statement. So you can see here the flow diagram demonstrates the flow chart of an nested if statement execute flow in the program. So here, first condition, first block, first condition is true, and go for the second block. Second if condition true, and if false, then it will exit. And first block, no, go for the first block again, and after that it will true to stand in the if block second. According to when this block ends here, and another in the condition, and after that before the condition, and after that exit here. Second condition true, and it is the exit also this. I'm taking only 1 minute, so wait.
मुर्गा ज्यादा नहीं खात है चिकनी चीज में वो है मुर्गा वहाँ ज्यादा मैं नहीं खाता तो वही मुर्गा ही पाल आई चली गई हाँ तो फ्लाइट आई तो देंगे या भाई बड़ा मापा उतारा किसकी मटाटा बनते आ जाते हैं आते ही ऐसे चलिए कब का तो लाई का तो कला को का तो जाती लाई का रहे हैं मेरे तो लड़ाई देखने को है लड़ाई का देखिए का चलाओ
जी ये हुई है। ला
Thank you. And now we'll move here for the Java if else if ladder. I already told you whenever we have the if else if, so it's called the ladder. Now here you can see that
हेलो
Java.
5 मिनट तो सोना बस बैठे हैं पंखा में।
So
सीमा कर रही थी फोन। यार रोटी बन रही। कहा रोटी बने पराठे बने हुए कही थे हमने।
if else if ladder allow multiple
पराठे नहीं बने।
independent conditions to be checked in order. As soon as one condition is true, its block executes and the rest are skipped. We can say that suppose that we are using the 4 time condition in any block will be true, then other
कल
rest
नहीं
block
परसों
will be the leave that and
कौन
skip.
दिन है?
Now in the example
परसों
here,
टीचर का आएंगे।
like import java.qtip
कितने टाइम आएंगे
star,
मैडम
it
सब में?
means import the all packages of Java. After that, class Greek, public static void main, string args,
अब क्लियर करके
int
हमें बताओ
I
इसको
equal to
बोलने तुमने
20,
बोला
and then now here first condition like if I equal 10, it means
वही तो क्लियर करके
system.out.println,
फुल
it means
कंफर्म
I
करवाओ तो हम उसी
is
हिसाब से
10.
बोल दें उनसे।
Then if else I equal 50,
क्या कह रहे हैं मोड़ी?
system.out.println and I
क्या
is
कह रहे हैं?
50. Another is here like if else I equal 20
दुनिया सुबह दे
and system.out.println I is 20.
तो कहीं तो रही सही है।
Else system.out.println I is not present. Close the curly
वाईफाई
braces
चला
of
कर ले।
this function and finally close the curly braces of this class.
ओ गुड़िया
All the other all the statements we can see here like
गुड़िया
I equal 20. This condition will be true, so all condition will
ओ
be
गुड़िया
kept. So this condition will be print here in the output.
गुड़िया और भी थी बाबू पराठे खाओ पराठे हाँ रोटी सब्जी और पराठे नहीं खाइए खाइए बेटी ना खा करिए ठीक है बेटी रोटी बना रहे हाँ काटूंगा बहुत काम किए गुड़िया अब बाबू कहाँ गो
So here,
ना भाई
this is the print is here. After that, you can see this is the flow chart of the if else ladder. So you can see here condition expression like 1, 2, and 3. First condition true, then statement go for the exit. Second condition suppose that true, then it will go for the exit. Third condition is true, then it will go for the exit. Suppose that these condition will be false, then it will go for the one by one another condition. Now here the Java switch statement. Java switch statement you can see here like the switch statement is a multi-way branch statement, and it provides an easy way to dispatch execution to different parts of code based on the value of expression. So import java.io star, it means import the input output all packages of Java,
पूछो तो कहता बनाती है देखो
and class Greek here public
घर के भी ले चलेगा
static void main string args,
फिर जब जाए
and here like int num equal to 20 and switch, this is the condition of switch, and we are giving here the switch statement like num, and after that start the case 5 like system.out print it is 5 break case 10 system.out it is 10 break case 15 it is 15 break, after that case 20 system.out println it is 20 break, and finally we have to use the default condition, and it is system.out.println is not presented. Then you can see here on the basis of this initialization of variable like 20, so that case 20 statement will be print. Now this is the flow chart of the statement, switch statement. So here, same as the, we can see that like the if else ladder. So first of all, it's start from the condition expression here and go in the case 1. If case 1 is false, then it will go for the case 2. Otherwise, it will go for the statement 1 and break, and finally it will go in the exit. Second condition will be false, then it will go for the another, and otherwise second condition will false true, then it will go in this condition and go for the exit. Third condition, it means number of conditions available here, and after that these conditions go here, then you can see like false, then it will go for the default, otherwise condition will be true, then statement and break, also break statement, then go for the exit, and all the condition will be false, then default condition will be true. Now switch statements execution flow here. So note the expression can be type or byte, short, int, char, or an enumeration, and beginning with JDK 7, Java Development Kit 7. So the expression can also be type string. After that, duplicate case. So you can see here duplicate case like values are not allowed. Duplicate case values are not allowed. Suppose that if you are using case 5, so you cannot use the case 5 again. So that's why it's called the duplicate case value. Then the default statement is optional. If you want the default statement, so you can write over there. Otherwise, you cannot. No need to the write. Then the break statement is used inside the switch to terminate the statement sequence. It means you are, suppose that you are using the number of cases there, and every gate should be break. Otherwise, it will treat it as the continuous form. Then the break statement are necessary without the break keywords, and statements in switch block fall through. It means we can say that break condition always break by the break keyword. Suppose that whenever we want to create the class, so we have to use the class key. We want to use the for loop, so we have to use the for key. And now come to the here ternary operator in Java. So the ternary operator in Java is a conditional operator, and that provides a shorthand way to write simple if-else statement. Syntax here like condition, expression if true, expression if false. It means both expression here. And start the class in the example here. Class Greeks, public static void main, string args, like int a equal to 10, comma b equal to 20. And we are using the another variable like int max here equal to a greater than b, condition a colon b. After that, system.out.println, and if the message maximum is plus max, this one, it store the value of a greater than b and a to b here. So according to here, you can see a less than b, but another condition also there, a to b here. So it's also print here a maximum is 20 on the basis of this condition. This condition is false because a has the value of 10 and b has the value of 20. So a less than b. This is the correct condition. Go for the another condition like a to b. It means it start from the a and go for the b. So according to this, the 20 will be big. It means maximum. Explanation here. This program uses the ternary operator like the question mark or colon to find the maximum of two numbers, and it checks the condition like a greater than b. If true, it assigns to a2 the variable max. Otherwise is assigns b. Finally, it prints the maximum value. I hope this condition you have understood. Now come to the here if else versus switch case. If else versus switch case. So we can see here like some features if or switch. Use case in the if else statement like the suitable for condition based checks, and switch case best for exact value matching. We already seen in the previous example related to the switch case. We have given here the number equal to like 20, and after we have also given here the case like case 20. So it's find the exact value matching. Another feature here like readability. Readability you can see here more readable for few conditions in the if else condition. In here more readable and efficient for many cases. It means if else having the few conditions, but switch case having the multiple cases, many cases. Then performance. If else slower for many checks due to multiple conditions. In the if else, it has the slower. Another is switch case like faster and optimized for handling many cases. Faster and optimized for handling many cases. After that, flexibility. So in if else condition, support range and complex conditions. And here switch case like the only support exact matching of value. It means here the complex condition and here is the matching of value. So it's all about the conditional structures, conditional statements. We can say that, and after that we will move on to the other another topic. So another topic you can see here like the cases and objects in Java. Sorry, classes, not cases. Classes and objects in Java. So let's see one by one all these things. Here in Java, classes and objects form the foundation of object-oriented programming. So they help model real-world entity and organize code in a structured way. Like a class is a blueprint used to create objects and that share common properties and behaviors. An object is an instance of a class and it represents a specific entity and created from the class template. So you can see here, for example, like dog is a class and Tommy is an object of that class. It means dog is the class, it means dog is the category, and Tommy is the name of the particular dog. So that's why it's the object. Now you can see here like class and object. So class like dog, it's property or method. Name, color, eye color, height or length. Method we can use here get name, get color, get eye color, get height or come here method. If you're talking about here the property and value of the object, so you can see here name like Tommy, color like green, eye color like brown, height like 17-inch and length like 35 inch. And method you can see like get name method again because it's using that color also. After that, this is not name, not it should be get color. Again, get eye color, hide method, and come here of method. So it's about the Java entity, class and object entity, or its property or methods also. Now here we will move to the Java class. So first here we already learn about class is a blueprint that define data and behavior for objects, and it groups related fields and methods in a single unit. Memory for instance member is allocated when an object is created, and while static members are allocated when the class is loaded into memory. It means here the class is the real word entity. You already seen there like the dog, and the dog name is the object. So it's named like doggy, Sankey, another puppy like that. Come to the here act as a template to create object with shared structure and does not occupy memory for fields until instantiation. Another point is here can contain fields like method, constructor, nested classes, and interface. At nested classes, we can say that like the parent or child. So this is the example here of class. First of all, we have to create a class like a student and finding giving here the data members like int id or the string n, public static and public student, and here you can see like int id or string n. These are the parameter of this student class. We can say that this is the constructor because constructor always same as the class name, and this dot id equal to id means this is the verify, and this dot n equal to n. After that, close this curly braces. Move on to the public class main. It means main class, public static void main, string args, and student s1 equal to new student. It means here we are creating the object. Object name is s1,
हम 3 खाने वाले
and with
हैं
the help of new keyword we can create the object in Java. And we are giving here the parameters like 10 is the value. It means we can say that like age,
बस
ID, and Alice is the name. After that, we are printing here system.out.println and s1.id means
ला रोट
dot operator access the particular ID. After that, system.out.println s1.n. So s1.n it means another value accessed by the s1 with the help of dot operator.
अरे क्या
Close
है
all
कोई
these
करे
functions, all these curly braces. After that, we will run this program. So on the basis of this, ID is the 10 and Alice is the name. So we are accessing with the help of object. Explanation here you can see this code defines a uh, student class as the blueprint and with data members and constructor to initialize them. An object S1 is created in main function and which allocates memory and accesses the class fields to display values. So now I am stopping here. It's for today, and we will meet again tomorrow. So
नमक दे
firstly,
और मिलेगी